make our own butter and cream. After milk is boiled, we get lots of cream on the top. We start collecting it in a bowl, and in 1 week we all get in a bowl. Let's start making butter out of this cream. Exercise on your bed. If you don't like it, go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to me and I will teach you AB butter on bread. It's even another way to mix it as well. It's very fun to make it at home. It's fun to collect some in between as well. When you see milk is getting away from your cream, it's ready. I'm separating whey from butter. You can drink it and add it in your baking and add in your cooking. We are gonna make clarified buttered ghee. Ghee. We're gonna make ghee. So make cream then. Now this stuff is getting off, so I need to fix. Our milk is getting, and so ghee is getting separated from milk. We're making lots of things out of milk. Buttermilk, ghee. Ghee got very good benefits of omega-3 and omega-6 of fat. Cow's ghee is full of vitamin A, C, E, and K. This ghee is full of antioxidants and yum. Hello, this good Christian is famous of community to eat butter at everybody's house. When they were asking, have you eaten butter? And he said no. This naughty Christian